Hi guys, Elliot from Valet Pro. Today we've got this Mini GP2 in. It's got an aftermarket OMP steering wheel on there. It's a 330mm steering wheel and this is fully Alcantara. Unfortunately with Alcantara it's great when it's new, you know, it's nice and soft. If you're using it for track days with racing gloves, it's nice and grippy. But the problem is if it's just for normal everyday use and you like eating lots of takeaways, lots of hand fat transfer. So as you can see, this has gone shiny and there's a lot of ingrained dirt in here. So we're going to use our advanced interior cleaner. This is a pH neutral interior cleaner. So this is perfectly fine to use on headline ins, Alcantara seats and Alcantara steering wheels. So we're going to deep clean this and hopefully get it back to its former glory. So I'll just put these drying towels, one up here and one down here. Because it's quite dirty, I'm going to have to spray quite a lot of cleaner on there, so it's just to sort of catch any overspray and any drips or anything like that, stop it from getting into the seat and giving you a wet bum. With this being quite a delicate material, what I'm going to do now is as I'm spraying it, I'm just going to use my hand with a glove on just to work it into the steering wheel. I can already see some of the dirt coming out already. If you squeeze it there, you can see it all coming out there. If I was to wipe that with one of our white cloths now, that would literally instantly turn black. Alright, so we've got one of our multi-purpose interior cloths here. It's white, so this is obviously going to show. I mean, this is just me. That's just from me wiping my hands. That's the dirt that's already come off the steering wheel. So now I'm just going to get the worst of it out. You can see how much dirt is in there. That's literally just from spraying and wiping. Right, so hopefully that's got sort of the worst of it out. So I'm going to just give it a spray again. And this time I'm going to use our brush just to agitate it. It's nice and soft, so it's not going to sort of scratch or make it fray or anything like that. So I'm going to flip the cloth round. I'm just pulling all the dirt out again into the cloth. I think we're going to have to go over it again because it's really, really ingrained, unfortunately. You know, I can see it all coming back on this side already, so it's working. Just obviously where the steering wheel's not been cleaned probably for a good 60,000 miles. So I've sprayed the steering wheel again, done the level brush on there, but because it's where it's quite a soft brush, it just doesn't sort of agitate it as much as I like. So what I've done is I've got our soft top and interior brush. So this brush is a little bit stiffer. It's not too hard. You can see, you know, there's some play with it there. And I'm going to really lightly, agitate it a bit more. And that's just to sort of try and get the fibres moving a little bit more and just try and get deeper into there and try and pull some of this, you know, sort of hand fat and sort of grease and dirt out of the steering wheel and just, yeah, see if we can just sort of get a bit deeper into it. These side bits were the worst bits, to be fair. There's a lot of dirt in there. So I've used the hoover to try and suck out some of some of the dirt and dry the steering wheel up, but it's still quite mucky. So I've gone and got some neat advanced interior cleaner. Once again, I'm just massaging it in. I can see it's turning black basically. It's just absolutely full of grime. You can see a lot of it's come out. Yeah. But I've got to a point now where I think we're going to have to take the steering wheel off and maybe just like dunk it in a bucket of water and just really try and get into it. Well, most steering wheel cleans are a little bit more straightforward than this. So basically I'm just going to dunk it in this water and just try and sort of clean out as much as I can using just water. You can see the water's getting dark already. You can actually see the fat and the dirt in the top of the water. I've got our air blower, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a go with that and just see if we can maybe get some out of that. So it's now all dried, so we're going to put the steering wheel back on. Unfortunately, it's not perfect, but it's 100 times better than it was when it came in. There are stronger products in the range we can use, like carpet cleaner, which is an alkaline, but obviously being Alcantara, we wouldn't really advise using it on there. So what we've done is we've gone as far as we can go with the products that are safe to use. So I'm going to go ahead now, fit the steering wheel back on again, and then yeah, we'll do some shots of it all ready to go. So as you can see, we've got the steering wheel back on. You know, it wasn't as easy a job as we thought it was going to be, but that's the world of detailing. Sometimes things aren't very straightforward as you would like them to be. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification button for regular updates when we drop a new video. Cheers.